In last session, we had completed sketch entities and we had seen how to create an entity. Now we are going to see how the created entities can be trimmed, how it can be multiplied by using sketch tool. The first one is fillet. As everyone know, it is used to remove the sharp corners by applying a round on the sharp edges. Here we have two options in fillet tool. One is keep constraint corners, the other is dimension each fillet. Keep constraint corners means when you fillet two edges, it will not remove the constraints applied for the corners. And if you use the option dimension each fillet, when you select when you select any corner, for each selection it will add you the fillet. And under chamfer we have three type of chamfers, and chamfer is nothing but creating a beveled face. In sketch, if you say chamfer, creating an angular line over the corner. And offset is used for offsetting the line, that is copying the line to a specific distance. And this picture will give you an idea about how the fillet is dimensioned and how the chamfer is shown for a sketch. Here you can see distance into angle, once again angle into distance, and here you can see distance into distance, and it is showing the equal distance, that is distance to distance will be same, that is it can be represented as C25. And offset, here one single entity, that is straight, this entity is offset, this offset using this offset command. Let's see these three commands in SolidWorks. The first one is fillet. I would like to show you how to apply fillet in SolidWorks. Select the fillet command from tools, sketch, that is tools, sketch tools. From here you can retry fillet. I will select from this area, and now I can apply 10 mm on this corner. If you go near to this corner, it will give you the shape of the fillet. You can pick here and right click over on this, you will get the radius on the corner. And if you don't require if I want to create a fillet on this edge and this edge and this edge, and if you give a right click, you can see the radius only on one blend, but I need to create on all the edges. How we can do this? What I can do is I can go and say fillet. Here I will use dimension each fillet. Now if you select the corners continuously, you will get the radius on all the fillets. And now let's do one more thing. What I will do dimension for this line as 25 mm. Now when I go and fillet these two line segments, now we are going to remove this constraint 25, and that's why if you select this and if I give right click, you can see here keep constraint corners. When I select this constraint will be maintained, this 25 will be maintained. Now what I will do, I will cancel this. Let's see the difference on this fillet, and the same here I will remove this keep constraint corners. I will select these two edges, and now we can see a warning message will be shown that do you want to continue means that you want to delete the relations, or you want the geometry relation has to be deleted. That's what the message shows. I will give S here. Now you can see OK, and this 25 has been removed. This is all about keep constraint corners. Once I complete this, in the same sketch, I would like to show you the command offset. To retrieve offset, I will choose from this. Here I have 10 mm. I'll select this one line segment, but you can see all the line segment connecting those one line segment, all the entities connecting those one line segment is offset of a distance to offset to a distance of 10 mm. You can change the direction by using reverse. If I uncheck this select chain, you can choose only the required entities. And if I choose bidirectional, both the direction, you will have the offset entities. And if I choose make base construction, this line segment will become a construction line. Now you can notice how it has been created. And this is how we can use offset entities. And there is one more interesting feature. If I use an open line segment like this, and in this open line segment I'll go and say offset. I'll select this line segments and I will say this should have an cap ends. Now you can see the end line segment will have caps. Click OK here. Now the line has been offsetted and we have end caps at the ends. We have end caps at the end of the line segments. And now let's complete this by doing the chamfer operation on this offset entity. So I'll go to the chamfer command. Here I will retrieve sketch chamfer. We have angle distance, distance angle, and equal distance. I'll go to angle distance 10 mm. I'll make it as 2 mm and I'll select this corner. Okay, we are not able to see it very clearly. Now what I will do, I'll increase this as 10 mm and I'll select this one. Now there is one more need. Now I don't require this 10. Once again I need to cancel the command, not required. You can do undo. If you do undo, there is a chance of reducing the mouse travel. Once again, going to the menu, selecting the command. I'll make it as 20 and I'll select this edge. And I'll make it as 5 mm or 10 mm. I'll select this edge. Completed. The chamfer can be applied in terms of angle into distance, distance into distance, and equal distance. This is all about fillet, chamfer, and offset in SolidWorks.